Stop by and take a look at the 2006 F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, power mirrors, running boards. Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering, adjustable headrests, reclining seats, auto express down window, beverage holders, tilt steering wheel, cloth upholstery. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.